Hello guys! Want to turn your wildest ideas into stunning artwork for free? Whether you're an artist, content creator, or just love playing with AI, today I'll introduce you to a powerful and free AI art generator, imagineArt, that creates jaw-dropping images from simple text, no design skills needed. If you're interested in the topic, don't forget to subscribe and share our channel. Let's dive in. Part 1. What is imagineArt? imagineArt is one of the best free AI art generators that transforms text prompts into high-quality images. It's powered by advanced AI models like Stable Diffusion. Whether you're designing concept art, thumbnails, characters, or even memes, Imagine.Art delivers impressive results in seconds. Part 4. Great Features of Imagine.Art Image Generator. 1. Over 55 art models for every need. From anime to photorealistic scenes, imagineArt can create social media banners, newsletter illustrations, or abstract art in seconds. 2. Studio-grade customization. Control lighting, camera angles, and composition like a pro. imagineArt lets you design polished visuals without expensive software or photography gear. 3. AI-powered prompt assistant. Stuck on ideas? The built-in chatbot crafts expert-level prompts for you. Just describe your vision loosely and let AI work its magic. 4. One-click HD enhancement. You can turn blurry drafts into 4K masterpieces. The creative upscaler sharpens details while preserving your art's original style. Next, let me show you how to create your stunning AI image with imagineArt. Step 1. Head over to imagineArt and create your account. Click Image Studio and select Text to Image. Step 2. Enter your prompt in the text box. Then choose the right model and aspect ratio for your image. You can also adjust the style, lighting, and camera settings. Then select the number of images you want to generate. Step 3. Click Generate. Wait a few seconds. A stunning image will appear instantly. You can edit or recreate the image if you don't like it. Now download and use the image freely. imagineArt is incredibly powerful and ridiculously easy to use for image generation. Now it's your turn to try imagineArt. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.